Okay, one last thing about Google Forms. So I showed you that you can go to New and More in Google Forms to get to the Google Forms. You can also put a Google Forms app in your app launcher here. So I already have one here, but if I go to the web store, and put in Google Forms, it will let me add that right into my app launcher. So by clicking Add to Chrome. You can also add it on your app launcher over here. Gonna make sure I'm in the right place. Nope. It keeps taking me to my other account. You can add it to your app launcher over here as well, so that it's one of your choices in this, what I call a black waffle. So right here. But, okay, so if I go to Google Forms in any of those ways, so I'm going to show you the way that we went from the beginning, More, in Google Forms. So now I'm in Google Forms, but what I really want to do is get some ideas. So instead of starting to work here in this Google Forms, if I click back here, it's going to take me to the Forms home. This is what will happen if you click on the app from one of these things. This is where it takes you. So up at the top, this is very handy. Well, first of all, it's very visual, and I can see all of the forms I have created down here. Just a few. So that's very visual. But up at the top, there are a whole bunch of templates that have already been created for you. So these are great to get examples of how you could use Google Forms. So this first line gives you some examples, and the first one, the exit ticket, is one we've talked about. Assessment, worksheet, course evaluation, contact information, all those are really great forms. Or now they've got it divided into different categories. So like RSVP for an event, invite people to a party, sign up for t-shirts, event registration, order forms, job application, time off requests, all kinds of things. So they've got several different templates where you can start. So if you're not sure what you want to do, but you're thinking, I want the kids to do a worksheet. So click on the worksheet one, and it just kind of gives you an idea of how you could do a worksheet. So you could ask for name and email, and then you could have some kind of image that you put there. And then you've got these kind of topics, questions, and you've got some text here, and then you've got some more questions. So that's just one example. So they do have these templates in there. So the templates are on the Forms main page, and you can see all these templates. You can change what they look like. You can add, delete, add more stuff, but they're there for you.